Jesse Cage, Afternoons, Rock 100.5.
I was just reading here that the average couple has sex for 69 minutes a week. 69 minutes.
Nice.
69. If the average couple is having sex 69 minutes a week, in my world, that means I'm having sex 23 times a week. Math. Group goes on to say that drinking is also responsible for more than 5% of cancers and cancer oh, hang on. 5% out of 100? Go and have a beer. Cheers. And then you get that sex pee, that goes like 8 different directions.
Oh, yeah.
What are you supposed to do with that? You know what I do? I sit down because I'm a man and I'm cool with it.
Hey, can I spin the wheel?
Can you spin the wheel? Let's spin the wheel, spin the wheel. We're going to spin the wheel. It's a big, big wheel, a big, big wheel, and we're going to spin the wheel. Yeah. All right, so on the wheel, we've got nothing on the wheel. Nothing is on the wheel. But you're going to tell us when to stop, and we're going to see if you're going to win nothing. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right,
Big
here we
whammy,
go.
big whammy. Let's go.
You won nothing!
Woo! Yay!
Good job. What ridiculous lame radio station spins a wheel on the air for prizes? Please tell me.
We definitely didn't do it for prizes.
Tell me. What radio?
Power 96.
Oh. Lame.
I don't know. I keep seeing these people now with these things on the back of their phones that hold their phones. Like, what the hell are those things?
Right?
Yeah, there's a name for it, though. You know it, nerdy,
It's
right?
like
what
the
is it?
Peg, I think. I don't know.
Peg. Don't put
like
that
a
into
phone
Google.
peg?
That's totally
Yeah,
different.
don't Google Peg.
This high-tech toilet can warm your ass and your feet.
Go
It
on.
can set mood lighting. It can flush itself, and it'll close its own lid without being touched. It also offers warm water for cleansing and hot air for drying.
Yeah.
The Numi from Kohler works with an app that enables both voice commands and hands-free motion control, which it's very convenient.
Sure.
Oh, hang on. It's going to cost about $5,600.
Oh, my God.
I mean, it does a lot of cool things. It doesn't come with a mouth. Well, according to a new study out of England, well, pip, pip, cheerio. Okay, bad teeth. Women are more attracted to guys with muscles and money. I mean, color me shocked. I just didn't want to buy into this. I wanted to buy into the myth of the dad bod because I have the dad bod minus the kid. Researchers say that their studies show that no matter how progressive things actually get in society as a whole, as a culture, quote, we still celebrate masculinity in the form of money and muscles. My wife is screwed. Why can't they hear me?
Apparently, engineering is flipping the phones over. They said it was this weekend, and apparently today is this weekend.
So we can pick up the phone. I can hear them. They can't hear me, so we can't do
record it.
We can't do Cage Rage.
Nope.
Rock 100.5, Atlanta's rock station. I just told the Kage Kult I'm going to give them Five Finger Death Punch tickets. Now there's no way for me to do that. We've got to fix phones at 5 o'clock. I'm not trying to be a prima donna here.
No.
But it's been one technical thing after another today, and we can't. It's that phone bank right there, yeah?
Yep, you can look at it. It's lit up still. People are calling. It's like
I don't want to look at it anymore.
What are you doing? Are you? You can't unhook it. I mean,
I can do anything I want.
Oh,
if it's not going to work and I can't talk to them, why can't it?
You. Jesus.
Give me my bat.
Okay.
Give me the bat.
I don't know if you should. I can't believe you just destroyed our phone system.
Phone's fixed.
Jesse Cage, Afternoons, Rock 100.5.